cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buchanan County, northwestern Johnson County, Benton County, western Warren County, northeastern Iowa County, until 9 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Jessup to Homestead, moving north at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
70 miles
The
per hour
following
wind
impacts
gusts.
are expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
Considerable tree
Damage
damage.
is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Middle Amana, Hiawatha, Newhall, Watsiconican Golf Course, Atkins, Toddville, Troy Mills, Monty, Aurora, Otterville, Swisher, Hyamana, Iowa County Fairgrounds, Mini Estima Park, Walford, Robbins, Conroy, Winton, Cheney, and West Amana. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 216 and 239. Interstate 380 between mile markers 1 and 55. Take cover now. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for northern Hancock, southwestern Henderson,